Hello everyone, today we're going to be making cereal box puppets. So we're going to be using a small size cereal box, a single serving cereal box. The first thing you want to do is you want to cut it on 3 sides fairly evenly. If it's not perfect, don't worry about it. We go with the flow here. Okay, so you can, there you go, try to not cut that, there you go. Then you pop out the cereal. And if you are waiting for your paint to dry, you could save it for a little snack when you're waiting for that to happen. We did not send them home with you full because we were concerned about allergies, food allergies, but if you're doing this on your own, you can control that yourself. The next thing you would do is you would paint the cereal box. We used acrylic paint on them. They might still be a little wet, that's why I have paint on my hands still. And since this is folded, this is the area here that you stick your hand, and then you make a little, you can make the puppet go like this. So that means this would be like the top of the head. This would be where the face goes. You can put a little mouth in there, a little tongue. So you can use any materials you like, and a glue stick will do for most things. If you want to do something else, you can use, oops, look at that, with the tongue, see? Has a little paint on there. It's got a little spotted tongue. You could use the glue stick, you can use tacky glue, you can use, if you're a little older and you don't want to burn, you're good at not burning yourself, you can use a glue gun. Maybe you want to put the eyes here. I'm just using these as eyes. You can use whatever you want as eyes. We have a whole bunch of stuff in bags for you, so you can use those materials or any other materials at home. Oops, I have paint on that too. Ooh. Spotted eyes too, okay. And then you can even add some hair if you want. Let's see. I don't know if I would glue with this, so I would just stick some Scotch tape on there. Simplify things. Okay. And then when you're done, you have your little puppet there, okay? Go crazy, have a good time. Bye-bye now.